Hello and welcome to this quick guide on how to add more teams to a team-based game in Crayta. To start with, I'm using one of the team-based game blueprints, such as the Team Deathmatch blueprint or the Capture the Flag blueprint. These already have a lot of logic to do with balancing, managing teams, setting up players and keeping track of scores, and so they're really a good idea if you're looking at building a team-based game in Crayta. But they're all set up to work with 2 teams, and if you want to work with more than that, here is how to add a team to the script. So to start with, I need to find where the script is. It will be attached to a locator in my game, and the script I'm looking for is this game script. To add more teams to my game script, I need to start at the top in the properties and add another team name. So you'll see there's already team name blue, team name red. I'm adding team name green. In the init function, I need to add another index here. So add a (0) into this table. I need to put my team name green as a member of this table in here. And I need to put my color of the team in this table here, and this propagates right through to the UI in the CSS, so you could put in a purple or a pink or whatever color you want to there. Once I've done that, I need to go down to the do play schedule and make sure I add a score in here so that we can keep track of the new team's score. I also need to go all the way down to the set user team function, which is here, line 381, and add another 0 here. And what this does is essentially counts through how many people are in each team. So when a new user logs in, it goes and it makes sure that all of the teams are balanced. They have an equal number of people. It usually does this with this line of code here, and it just checks which team has more people and puts the new player in the other team. But because we've now got 3 lots of teams or more, we need to do something akin to this logic here, where we start with team 1, we work our way through all of the teams and we check progressively, has this got less people in it than my current team? If it has less people, then put the player in that team. And it checks all of the teams and then it chooses the team number with the least amount of people. So you can copy that bit of logic if you want to. Once we've done that, that's essentially the majority of the game logic taken care of. We shouldn't need to do any other scripting than that. One thing we will need to do though is also go into our game and make sure that we've set up some sort of spawn points for our 3rd lots of team members, or 4th or 5th, or however many teams you want to put in there. So I've got 2 locators that work as my start points for team 2, 2 for team 1, and 2 more for team 3. And you can see I've got this spawn script and the team number is attached to it. And so that's kind of handled with the spawn user script attached to the user. It looks for the right spawn points to spawn the user at and do all of that sort of stuff for me. So that's essentially all the game logic that you need to change in order to add another team to your game in Crayta.